Avery Lipkin.
And I'm Cali, Havette. Has your mom ever yelled at you for throwing away your food? It's because food waste is a big problem. According to the Food Aid Foundation, 1/3 of all food is wasted, while 1 in 7 people go hungry each day.
Food waste also impacts our environment. According to the UN Food and Agricultural Organization, food waste contributes 8% of total global greenhouse gas emissions. U.S. households alone waste 150,000 tons of food each day. Reducing food waste that ends up in landfills is also one of the most important things we can do to reverse global warming. More than 70 billion tons of greenhouse gases could be prevented from being released into the atmosphere.
The good news is that composting is an effective way to reduce greenhouse gas emissions. Composting food waste directly reduces carbon dioxide, CO2, and other powerful greenhouse gases like methane, CH4, and nitrous oxide, N2O.
As we began the design process, our original solution was to make a kitchen composter that would make it easy to compost food waste. After conducting research, we realized that it was not a unique idea. We met with an engineering graduate student at Georgia Tech who has studied composting and learned that a big problem for people who compost is chopping up food scraps. Smaller food scraps are necessary for speedy composting. We decided to focus on a kitchen tool that enables people to easily chop and store food scraps to encourage composting.
Introducing the chopper. The chopper is an affordable manual countertop tool that can be used to quickly chop food scraps and store them in an odor-proof container until you are ready to add it into your compost bin.
How does cutting scraps help compost? Cutting up scraps helps your compost break down faster by increasing the surface area of decomposable material. This allows microbes to access the decomposable material in the scraps and get to work faster.
Here's how it works. Place your food scraps into the chopping box. Push the plunger, which engages the cutting blade to chop the food. The chopped food scraps fall into a small container that rests on a sliding platform. Pull the sliding platform to drop the chopped food scraps into a large odor-proof collection bin. Close the sliding platform to seal the collection bin. Empty the collection bin to your outdoor composter container when it becomes full.
We had several design iterations and prototypes to test our idea. Our first prototype was a modified cardboard box with a blade inside. It was not very sturdy and didn't work very well. This product also did not have any storage, so it would need to be emptied every 2 days.
Our second prototype combined a modified chopping tool with the storage base. We now have a unique and new product, the chopper. We manufactured the chopper using eco-friendly recycled plastic.
In our patent search, we found some comparable products. The Utopia Kitchen stainless steel compost bin. It's inexpensive, but it doesn't chop. The Ecotonic Green Cycler, the kitchen compost starter bin and shredder. It cranks to chop the food waste, and it's difficult to clean, and it's not available for purchase. And then the Vita Mix Food Cycler. It's an electric food recycler. It's a large size, and it's very expensive.
The chopper is different because it's inexpensive, chops food scraps, has an odor-controlled collection bin, does not require electricity, doesn't take up a lot of counter space, and is simple to operate.
The chopper will be marketed to employed people aged 35 plus who live in single-family homes with 2 or more occupants and who have access to a garden. The chopper will cost $25 to $35. According to National Waste and Recycling, 72% of Americans do not compost their food waste. However, 67% of these non-composters would be willing to if it were more convenient and did not create additional expense. This represents a potential market of 220 million people.
While we can't prevent all food waste, we can make and reduce greenhouse gases and turn our waste into a natural soil conditioner that is rich in nutrients. So before you throw away your food scraps, think about what else you could be doing with them instead. That's right, you could be composting the easy way with the chopper, and will make your mama proud.